In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tier tool in Affinity. So you want to go over here on the left hand side, and here where you can see this kind of object menu, you want to click on this arrow down button, and you can see the tier tool right here. So click on it, and to get a perfect tier, you want to hold down your shift key on your keyboard, and then basically just drag out a tier like this. So as you can see, mine is currently filled. You can of course change this up top left. You could go ahead and change that into nothing, for example, and then you could also of course change how you want your outline to be, and of course you could also change a bunch of different things. So here I'm just going to increase the width for a bit. There we go. And then in here, in case you have any presets, you'll be able to see them on here. I currently don't have any. You could do the fixed bowl size, where you basically make like this funny looking tier, which actually just got a bit bumped down. And then here you also have the curve option, which can basically curve it more or less depending on whatever you want to achieve. You also have this option to adjust the tail position, which will basically shift it either to the left or to the right when you actually hold and drag this around. And then also you have this bend, and then this bend will do basically exactly what it says. So you could bend it on the left or on the right, however you prefer it. So that's pretty much how to use the tier tool. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.